All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the. Let me put this in here. The mini. This is the mini to find 6 spots in the main. Top spot gets 4. Second spot gets 2. So we'll check the time here. April 9th at 4. And we'll let this roll over here to 4:06 to 4:06 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle or to the mini and type live. And we've got April 9th at 4:06 p.m. Here's the list of our 24 entrants in the mini. We're going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 spots will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. Looking for the top 2. It is Kevin and Kevin. So Kevin's going to win all 6 main spots. So we'll just fill that in. We'll make sure all the payments are in, and then we'll get the main run right away. So there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 9th at 4:06 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.